You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is h greater than 9. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 7/2 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the s. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is h greater than 9.